Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a 42-inch Windsor bar that's got the UXL mount, which is the Homelite 550, 650, 750 mount. It's a used bar, has a brand new sprocket nose, 3/8, 63 gauge. There's that bar pattern. This will, with a little modification and a very little modification, fit on your Husqvarna chainsaws too. The large saws, 288s, 2100s, 372s. Comes with a new piece of 75 CJ chain. That's that skip sequence chisel bit. Very popular fast cutting chain. Let me show you how this fits on here. That's a Homelite 650 case, and it just fits right on there. Fits on there just real nice. And here's a case for a 372. I'll show you how it fits on there. Only thing you got to do is on the adjuster hole, you got to make sure it lines up with the adjusting pin. So if you need a great buy on a long bar, 42-inch bar and chain, here's a great buy.